Does it still show? Gosh darn it. It is temperature dead. It is temperature dead over there. So anyway, it is what it is, guys. It overheated. What are you gonna do? So anyway, thanks Mike GM91 for showing up on the TikTok. Please drop a like. It'll be very useful to me if you drop a like on here. I was talking about Granddad is an Old Man, a really good YouTube channel that doesn't get enough likes and view because YouTube is a toxic platform that has been crapping all over most of these awesome channels that I'm talking about today. They don't get enough clicks and views because YouTube promotes all that toxic stuff that we all know about. So yeah, then you have Paul McWhorter, Top Tech Boy. Paul McWhorter is awesome. If you want to learn coding, he does amazing things with coding and tutorials on how to put together robots and how to get them programmed and up and running with code. Then we've got Electro Boom. If you guys want to watch some things explode and things go wrong in a choreographed but extremely exciting thing, he'll tell you all about Skillshare as well on his channel, Electro Boom. Then we've got ETA Prime. If you have never watched or don't know much about microcomputers, all kinds of different microcomputers. Yo, what's up? Nat and Nathalis Lara, thank you so much for showing up. I'm not sure if I said that correctly or not. I butchered everybody's name, but thank you for showing up and sending me a wave back to you. Thank you. What else we've got? We've got ETA Prime, as I said before. He does all kinds of cool things. Yo, what's up? Charlie Corbett's 2 and Ketrich and Todd's. Wow, awesome. All these awesome people showing up and showing a wave. Thank you for showing up, guys. You are the ticket. You are the reason why I show up and make these videos every day. Thank you. What do we got? As I said before, ETA Prime. If you guys want to learn more about awesome microcomputers, you can go check out this channel, ETA Prime. He'll do reviews on all kinds of different microcomputers, so small computers, as well as he will show you different video games and how they run on these microcomputers. So yeah, thanks Todd Singletary for showing up and sending a wave. You guys make it worth it. We've got Caroline Dunn, one of the most amazing reviewers out there that does stuff. She tried to make she succeeded in making a Amazon Alexa thing and an